Okay, here we are at the Chimneys, the chimney tops in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. The trail is temporarily closed right at this point, and you're not supposed to hike all the way to the top, but there are 3 people doing it. And let's see if we can come in on them a little bit, maybe. Well, if you can see them right there. There's 3 of them over here. So when they had the fire here about 5 years ago, there was a lot of everything burned here. I guess you can see the trees here that are all burned. The vegetation, let me show it to you here. Some young kids, the word goes, or the saying is that they had some tires at the top of this and they rolled them down with gas in them, and caught the side of the mountain on fire, burned all this. Beautiful this is up here.
They gotta see it. No.
All right, so group of us up here.
Oh, they're working their way down. We gonna stay here to congratulate them?